Hi everyone, once again welcome to the channel. Let's solve the problem valid triangle number. So given an integer array nums, return the number of triplets chosen from the array that can make triangle if we take them as a side lengths of our triangle. So basically a triplet, if we choose from this, let's say A, B, C, and that needs to form a triangle, valid triangle, then the property is basically sum of any two side is greater than the third side. So a plus b is greater than c, b plus c greater than a, and c plus a greater than b. So this should satisfy for all three condition. If it is satisfying all three condition, then that triplet is forming the triangle. So proof of that mathematical I am not covering in this video. For the proof you can check out the on the internet. And once you know this is like the brute force solution. You can just loop over the first solution. We can do brute force. We can loop over 3 for loop, like for I is equals to, like I is from 0, index 0 to n minus 2 first, then second j is equals to I plus 1 to n minus 1, and the third is k from j plus 1 until n. So once we run this 3 nested for loop, we will get all the possible triplet. In after that we just need to compare the condition, like if initial array, if I call it a, so a of I, so this will be the a of I plus a of j greater than a of k, and also you can write the other two condition as it is written over here. And once this all three conditions arise, if it is true, then we will increment our number of triangle, which is initialized as a count over here 0, and we will keep incrementing it, and in the end we will get the total number of triangles. So if you see, the time complexity of this solution is, as you can see clearly, we are running 3 nested for loop, which is O of n cube. So here is the code, I have already written that. And now can we further optimize a little bit? So one improvement we can do over here, if we sort the data like arrays dot sort, if we sort the arrays initially itself, then let me show you why this. If I sorted this data, so in second case we just sorted, so this 2, 2, 3 and 4 is our now array, sorted array, though the example is given as a sorted. Now initial value is I is over here, and j is somewhere after I, so somewhere let's say j, and k is after somewhere after k. So now if we see the values on at all the index is like this. So nums of or a of k is greater than a of j is greater than a of I. So now if I check the two condition from this 3 pair of condition, so this 2 is automatically getting satisfied once we sort the data, because the nums of k is always greater than the nums of I or nums of j, and if we add say any other value in with nums of k, then it is definitely greater than the other third value. So that 2 is automatic. Then we need to just put this condition. So this will basically improve a little bit the previous solution in terms of performance, but the overall time complexity is same as O of n cube. Can we do better than n cube, O of n cube? So let's see. If you have already solved like 3 sum or 2 sum problem, then it is not that hard to catch, like we can apply some sort of 2 pointer approach. So what we can do, so first of all we will fix a pointer over here, like the final pointer, let's say initially like that is I. So we will run a for loop for I from n minus 1 to 2, so that we will form all the triplet. Once we are running this loop, we know the nums of I is always greater than the nums of j and k, and we will initialize j like the first pointer from the 0th index, and the second pointer k from I minus 1. Now what we need to compare, we need to check like two condition as per the previous solution is always true, like nums of I plus nums of j is greater than nums of k, and nums of I plus nums of k is greater than nums of j. Now we need to just check the third condition, which is now nums of j plus nums of k. If nums of j plus nums of k is greater than nums of I, so in that case all the pair, so by keeping that k, if we move j from left to right, so j is we are taking from here, if we move j from toward to k, then all of the values are greater than this j, and this j is self satisfying, forming the triangle, then all other are formed. So total number of triangle by this condition will be formed by k minus j. And now as we know, increasing j there is no point. So here in that case we decrease k by 1. So we decrease k by 1. And in other case, if this condition is not greater, it is less than, then we increase our j by 1. So that is what the approach. Now you can pause the video and code yourself. So let's quickly implement the code. So for coding part, let me remove this whole code and write it again. So this will be int I from n minus 1 and I greater than or equals to 2 and I minus minus. So now initialize 2 pointer j from 0 and k is from the I minus 1. So k is from I minus 1. Now we will run this while j less than k and check condition if nums of j plus nums of k is greater than nums of I. In that case, all of the number from k to j forming the triplet, valid triangle triplet, and we decrease k by 1 over here. Now we will run, else we just increase j by 1. So that is the solution. Let's try to compile and run the test case. Also run one more test case, custom test case, and let's put 1 1 1 and try to submit. Okay, there's no, we can see if they are getting pass or not. So this is going on. So there is something happening, something is taking time, j k minus minus j, and it got accepted. I don't know, it took too much time. Why? Maybe the LeetCode server is slow. So that's the 2 pointer solution. So now if you carefully observe this, in worst case for 1 I we will run this j or k together this rest of the part like n minus 1 time. So this is like the time complexity will be like this. So I will run for n step, basically let's say approximate n, and j plus k together will run nestedly n steps. So the overall time complexity of this solution is O of n square and plus n log n, which is like can be skip as it is lesser than the n square. So the final time complexity O of n square, and the space complexity is the complex taken by the sorting algorithm. So that's it. If you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also please share the video, that will encourage to create more videos. Thanks for watching.